Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe we are already on day 2 of the Advent Calendar series. Now, I fear that these days are going to zoom on by way too quickly because we have 12 days of glam. In previous years, they've done between 25 to 26 gifts, but they were all individual mini bottles. And often you'd find colors that you were obsessed with, and then you'd only have few applications of use before the bottle was finished. So though we only have 12 days, we get all the full-size magic, and it is so worth it. So let's get into this magical box. Now, in the excitement of the day 1, December 1st unboxing, I didn't get to go through kind of the specs of the box because I was just so excited we went right into it. But I knew as the days unfold that I would be able to talk more and more about this amazing Advent calendar, which is still available, by the way. And they have their Black Friday sales of up to 70% off. So if you are looking at the calendar, maybe you've seen the full unboxings, it is more than worth it. But now with that juicy save-in price tag, it is definitely the gift you want under the tree. So this limited edition box has gel colors that are only available in this box. It is TPO and HEMA free. It says, step into the golden age of glamour with Madam Glam's limited edition 2025 Advent Calendar. A Gatsby-inspired holiday collection. This year, we invite you to indulge in opulence, sophistication, and timeless beauty. As you count down to the most magical time of the year, designed with intricate gold foil details, elegant geometric patterns, and a striking burgundy color, this collector's item embodies the spirit of Gatsby's lavish parties. And behind each door of this limited edition set, you'll find curated selection of premium nail goodies, ensuring a magical and stylish countdown to Christmas. 10 full-size gel polish bottles. And this is where the spoiler alert is coming. I'm going to read out what some of the items are. So if you don't want to know, then just skip ahead. But it says 10 full-size gel polishes, burgundy rubber base, 1 no-wipe top coat with flakes, 3 cream gels, 1 shimmer gel, 3 cat eye gels, 1 milky gel, 1 chrome powder. Now this made me scream because I was like, excuse me? And I am not going to tell you there's something magical about that. I'm going to tell you that tomorrow. But not only that, the chrome powder, they also give you a silicone tool brush. So I'm freaking out. I can't wait to open these day by day. And today's no wipe top coat, the moment that the light hit it, I'm like, wait a minute. This has flash reflective glitter. So you know, I spent about 20 minutes turning the lights off, on, putting the flash on my camera, and I was just mystified. So anybody that might not know what a flash reflective gel is, basically there is flash reflective gel in there, and as soon as any kind of light source, so even the sun, when the sun hits it, it will begin to dazzle. And I've actually heard in different countries, even in Iran, they call it disco gel. So it's really like, it's a huge phenomenon. But basically, when you turn your flash on your phone, that is like the brightest you'll ever see it. And even to the naked eye, the glimmer on it is nothing in comparison to when you get that flash on there. For day 2, Madam Glam blew me away. I am absolutely obsessed with this Icicle Kiss no wipe top coat. You can either use it as a topper or use it by itself. We are actually going to be doing a set featuring this color alone shortly. Now for this Advent Calendar series, I do want to unbox a few of the goodies before we go right into all the holiday nail art. But y'all, we are going to be doing so much. So if there's any kind of nail art or holiday nail art rather that you're in love with, please comment down below, and then we will feature some of those designs in later episodes of this advent calendar series. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with this color. So far, the rubber base coat, and now this glitter. Whew, you are already making all of my Christmas dreams come true. Thank you guys so much for coming into day 2. And you know, my lucky number is 13, so day 3, it's gotta be magical, right? It's got 3 in it. I'm sending so much love and light, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah.